This short video will show you how to use Canva Layouts to create a composite image. From these 6 images you see here on the screen, I will show you how to create a composite image with 6 panels and captions that includes all those images. So let's go over to canva.com and create a new image. So we'll use custom dimensions and we'll do a portrait style, 800 pixels by 1200. Create that design, and there you see the blank canvas. As you can see, you have uploads, elements and layouts. So we're going to look for a 6-panel layout. Various numbers here of panels in various designs. Here we are. Next, we'll bring up our photos to Canva. So we click on Uploads and let's drag our 6 photos up. Now that they are uploaded, we can drag them across to the panels in the layout. So first one in here, bring the accompanying car there, and then next one here, and the fella beside it, and then this one here and the fella beside it. Now as you can see, the top fella isn't straight in the middle of the photograph, so what you can do is double click and drag him over to centralize it, and then press the arrow button. So there you have the composite image created with the 6. To add the captions, let's go over to Elements and put in a caption block, resize it, and move it over here, a little bit smaller, and move it over here. Okay, Control C that, Control V, and drag it down for the caption for this. Control V again, and drag down here for the caption for this. Click off. So now let's get the text. So grab the text, put it up there, and let's change the color to white so it shows on the black background, and the size to 24. Select it and let's put the caption in. And click off, and we can now move it so it's centralized in the caption block. Click on it again, Control C, Control V, drag it down here, Control V again, drag it down here, select all, Cameron, and select all. So there you have it. That's how you create a composite image with Canva. If you feel this video helped you, please help me by return by supporting the channel. It takes just 1 second to subscribe. Thank you.